Global Exterior Experts provided a new roof, 3 roofs, the main roof and then the 2 flat roofs. And then they did a whole wraparound of the addition that's in the back with new windows, new siding, new gutters, new fascia, soffit. Beautiful. I got a referral for Global Exterior Experts. I called them out. They came out and from the very first day, they took care of everything. Absolutely everything. Made my life seem so easy and so good. They did a very good job. I love it. Soffit, fascia, the gutters, the roof. Looks like a brand new house. I would say anybody who's considering working with Global that it's a #1 choice, just right down the middle. I sent them to my son's house who was in the tornado and he had his roof replaced by Global. It turned out really good.